Savannah from Classy Clutter. Today we're going to be teaching you how to organize underneath your kitchen sink. The first thing you're going to want to do is take everything out of your cabinet and set it on the counter or set it inside. I organize mine with like items into little bins so that I can keep everything corralled together. Next, I took a Clorox wipe and cleaned underneath the cabinet. I found this faux marble contact paper on Amazon and I decided to put it underneath the cabinet. I cut a piece a couple inches longer than I needed it to be so that I could trim it when it's installed. I carefully peeled the backing paper out from underneath and smoothed out any of the bubbles as I went. The last step for the contact paper is to trim off any excess with a utility knife or an X-Acto knife. This is super easy if you just stay with the base of the cabinet. Double check to make sure that you don't have any bubbles or wrinkles in the paper and just run it over with your hand to make sure it's nice and smooth. I also decided to use zip ties and tie this cord to the pipe. That way it got everything off of the bottom, so I was able to put all my stuff back inside, and I used the bins to keep everything nice and straight and keep it in its own place. I like to keep a few of all of the items that I use all the time on hand, like my sprays for my countertops, detergent, and I use the Cascade pods, which I have in a bin that is sealed. I love how organized it feels now, and it's been super helpful. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up, and check out our blog for more tutorials. Thanks guys, see you next time.